Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I sincerely apologize for the delays. Actually, I was too much busy with juggling two jobs at a time and didn't have enough time to record enough fun video. So, yeah, I'm just getting consistent on YouTube now. So, the topic of this video today is just to let you guys know that get rid of call center jobs. In my first semester, I started a call center job because I was too much under pressure, financially under pressure. It supported me. It was not possible from other ways. Like a person who just started their career cannot get good job, uh, in other domains or in other fields. So call center helps, but it's not a good long-term opportunity that you should follow. I would suggest if you are just getting it for your survival, then it's a good option. Otherwise, get rid of it. And why I'm saying that call center is not a good long-term career because they hire young people, young talented people, who have a good voice, so they can attract. You won't see any old like 40 plus or 50 plus person in the call centers. So that's the thing, and you won't be growing too much. Like if you are staying at the moment at 50k or 60k per month, or maybe 100k per month, so that's not a good thing if you are getting if you will be getting same amount of money after 2 years or 3 years. So they just give commissions to new by then and old employees as well to just to keep them stay. So I would say do something better, uh, and yeah, do something that has
Digital
potential, some
in the
potential
digital
to
market.
and internationally as well. So what I pursue after that and what I was doing in previous some years. I just graduated from my university and now I have enough time to record videos on YouTube. So basic there, I will be guiding you each step and you will be financially stable like me. So yeah, I'm not doing any job. I just resigned from both. I was doing
I
two
just
jobs as I mentioned, and I resigned from both in last month. And what I'm doing these days, how I became financially stable, I would say I am. So how I became like this. So I will be explaining each and everything, and will be guiding you guys step by step, and will be sharing my own strategy with you. It would not be a paid course, anything like that, and I will be sharing each and everything here on YouTube. So hit subscribe if you have not yet, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.